Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about bok choy, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for you for using bok choy. For a really quick and easy side dish, just stir steam some bok choy, some snow peas and mushrooms together in a small amount of vegetable stock. You can season it as you want, and seasoning that would go well would be like onions, garlic, maybe some ginger would work very well with that. You can drizzle it with a little soy sauce or tamari, and that would blend all those flavors together really well and be a delicious side dish. The stalks of bok choy can have a slight sweetness to them, so try adding just a little bit of raw bok choy to a green salad for something a little different in there. Here's a really easy side dish for you. Get some baby bok choy, the real small ones, slice them down lengthwise, and braise it in a mixture of your favorite stock with a little ginger, garlic, soy sauce, and some red pepper flakes. When it's finished, drizzle it with a little bit of sesame oil for some added flavor and a little bit of a garnish on there. How about adding some bok choy leaves on a sandwich in place of lettuce? Hey, why not? Now, if you like to fill celery sticks with things like nut butter and cream cheese or even guacamole, try using bok choy stems for something different. If you have some baby bok choy and you like to fire up the grill, next time you're grilling, take some baby bok choy, cut them down the head lengthwise, and wash them and drain them first, of course, and then lay them cut side down on the grill and drizzle them with a little bit of oil of your choice, a sprinkling of salt, and that'll be a grilled vegetable for you, something a little different. Try taking some thin shreds of bok choy leaves and add them to a soup at the last minute as a type of a garnish. Bok choy is often included in stir fries with a little soy sauce and garlic. So if you're new to eating bok choy, an easy way to get started with it is to develop a stir fry. Just heat a little bit of your favorite oil in a wok or frying pan. Add some aromatics like some onion, garlic, maybe a little ginger, and stir that just a little bit, get it going, and then throw your bok choy in there that you've sliced up. Let it stir fry for about 3 to 8 minutes or so until it's a crisp, tender. Then remove it from the heat, drizzle a little soy sauce on there, and enjoy. You could braise some bok choy for something a little bit different. Cut the bok choy up into bite-sized pieces. Heat it in a pan with a little bit of broth of choice. I would suggest you do the broth rather than water. Chance to add a little more flavor to it. Again, bok choy goes well with the aromatics, the garlic and the onion and ginger, maybe even some chili paste in this case. Cover it and allow it to simmer for up to 20 minutes until it's as tender as you want it to be. And then you could finish it off with drizzling it with a little bit of toasted sesame oil and then enjoy. You can also roast bok choy by chopping the leaves and stems into bite-sized pieces, drizzle with a little bit of oil and sprinkle with a little bit of salt. Toss them so that you coat all those pieces well. Spread them out on a baking sheet, and then you can roast them in a temperature really of your choice, anywhere from 350 to 425 for up to 20 minutes until the leaves are tender and they start to brown. Try it out, something different. Now, baby bok choy, if you can get a hold of it, is a little more tender and a little bit sweeter than the full-grown bok choy head. It can be cooked whole, it can be sliced in half lengthwise, or the stalks can be separated like you would the larger variety. So basically, the baby bok choy can be handled the same way as the large, but you can do a little bit more with it. It's important to note that the leaves of bok choy will cook faster than the stems. So you could add the leaves later if you're cooking them so that you don't overcook them. This can be with a braise, with stir fry, whatever. Just save the leaves and add them a little bit later so that they don't get mushy or overcook on you. Now, to really quickly and easily separate the stalks from bok choy, you just take that whole head, lay it down on a cutting board, and cut maybe about 1 inch or so up from the very base of it. Throw that little piece away, and then all the stalks will separate and then you want to wash them really well before you do whatever else you want to do with them. Slice them, cook them, however you want. Now, I've mentioned quite a bit that you can flavor bok choy with garlic, onions, ginger, but there's other flavorings that can be used to help enhance the flavor of bok choy. Any combination: soy sauce, vegetable broth, rice vinegar, sesame oil, honey, chili flakes. All of those will go well with bok choy, and you can mix and match any way that you want so that it's appropriate for the meal that you're going to serve it with. Well, if you have other ideas and different ways to serve bok choy, let me know. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.